Hello, welcome to KlassPM. So today we are going to study about ages. Okay, ages is also a different topic, but ages, partnership, ratio, allegations and mixtures, and some of the questions from the number system. Everything is depends upon ratio and proportions. Okay, ratios are the basic concept for ages, partnership. Okay. Let's discuss ages. It is the less weightage for examination because we will get ages will come with the ratios topic. So the question which comes under ratios and proportions. But ages is a different topic, but it is worked on the principle. It is solved with the basics of ratios only. Okay. What is the age? Everyone knows this. Age is our how many years we have. Okay. How many years, what is our age means we can say what is our present running age. If it is how old are you means what is our past birthday, how many birthdays we are conducted. Okay, everyone has the basic idea about age. Okay, let's move to the topic. The main points here are always the difference of ages between two persons is same. Okay, now consider me and my sister. Okay, the difference between me and my sister is 3 years. I am 27, she is 24 years. After 10 years, what is the difference between me and my sister? The age will increase, but the difference will not increase. At any time, at any irrespective of time period, the difference between our ages is 3 years only. Okay? This is the point. Always the difference of ages between two persons is same irrespective of time. Next, the terminology used in the ages problem is after or hence means future. Okay, my age is 27 years. Okay, 2 years hence, what is my age? Hence means future or upcoming years. After 2 years, my age will be 29 years. Ago or before. Okay, my age is 27 years, and 2 years ago or 2 years before, what is my age? It's 25. This is the terminology used to solve the ages problem. Okay, and very important point in the ages concept is if there are two persons, father and son, okay, we are giving their ages are x and y. After 5 years, what is their age? Means after 5 years, what is the age of son? We are asking. So then we can give the relation. After 5 years, father and son's age should be, sum of their ages should be 50. Then the general mistake done by the students is they will only increase 5 years for only son. They will forget to increase the age for the father. This is the main mistake. Then you get the answer. You will get a different answer. But unfortunately, this answer is the first option in the examination. Then blindly we can go and take this. So please remember father and son, wife and husband problems. Okay, not ages problem. Okay, from the concept, not the general problems. Okay, when you are solving the wife and husband related problems in ages, don't increase age for only husband, increase age for her wife also, because both are getting age or getting older. So increase age for any persons, which how many persons are there in the problem. Okay, these are the main important points and the ages. Let's go with the problems. The ratio of ages of Meena and Meera is 4:3. Okay. The sum of their ages is 28 years. The ratio of their ages after 8 years will be, okay. Here, the ages is not given. Directly is not giving the ages. Just is giving the ratio. Ages are in the ratio 4:3. But the sum of their ages is 28 years. So, first note down the ratio. So, it is Meena and it is Meera. Okay, their ages are in the ratio 4:3. Okay, now these are not the age because these are not the values. These are the comparisons or share. Okay, 4 parts Meera will get 3 parts in this way. These are not the ages. Okay, we are converting ratio into value. How we can convert? With the same multiple factor. We don't know the multiplication factor. So I am taking Meena age is 4x and Meera age is 3x. Now it is the values. Then we have the second clue point. The sum of their age is 28 years. So sum of their ages equal to 28 years. So 7x equal to 28, x equal to 4. Then find the Meena age. 4 into 4, 16. Meera age, 3 into 4, 12. 12 years, 16 years. Meena and Meera. Okay. This is the basic question in the ages. They will mention the and what ratio their ages are there and try to find out their individual ages or present ages. Let's move to the next question. Present Sinu is 8 years older than Babu. Present Srinu is 8 years older. Okay. He is older than, so he has more age than Babu. After 15 years, Babu will be 40 years old. What is Srinu's present age? Okay. Let's take Srinu and Babu. Okay. The difference between the ages is at any time period is same. So Srinu is 8 years older than Babu. So the difference between Srinu and Babu is 8 years. Okay. So 8 years. After 15 years, Babu will be 40 years. After 15 years. So after 15 years. So now take Srinu. Babu is X years. Srinu is X plus years because he is older one. After 15 years. So increase 15 for both the persons. Okay. X plus 23. X plus 15. After 15 years, what is the age of Babu? 40 years. Means X plus 15 equal to 40. That's it now. According to our assumption, after 15 years, Babu age will be X plus 15. Then, but according to the given problem, Babu age is 40 years. So, X equal to 25. It is the present age of Babu. Okay. Then, what is the age of Srinu? Srinu is 8 years older than Babu. So, Srinu age is 25 plus 8 means 33 years. Very simple. Okay. Moving to the next question. The ratio between the ages of Sudha and Radha is 5:8. The difference between their ages after 6 years will be 9 years. Find the present age of Radha. Okay. Here, the difference between their ages after 6 years. After 6 years, before 6 years, present. At any time, the difference is constant. That is 9 years. Okay. Then what is the ratio of their ages? 5:8. So convert the ratio into values. 5x, 8x. Okay. Now it is the present age. Okay. Present age. Okay. Now what is the difference between these two? According to our assumption, 3x. But according to the given problem, what is the difference between their ages? 9 years. Understood? According to our assumption, Sudha age is 5x, Radha age is 8x. The difference between their ages is 3x. But according to the given problem, the difference between Sudha and Radha age is 9 years. So, if 3x is equal to 9 years, then what is the 8x? Because he is asking for Radha's age. So, Radha age is 8x. According to our assumption, 3x is the difference. But given data, 9 years. So, in this way, 8x is equal to, how 3x becomes 9 years? 3 into 3. So, it is 24 years. So, age of Radha is 24 years. When you go by the basic concepts, it is very simple to solve. Question within 5 seconds. Okay. See the next question. Banu is 20 years younger than his father. Okay. 5 years hence, Banu will be 1/3 of as old as his father. Find the present age of Banu. Okay. Now see, Banu is 20 years younger than his father. Means the difference between Banu and his father is 20 years age. Okay. 5 years hence, after 5 years, Banu will be 1/3 of as old as his father. So, after 5 years, Banu's age will be 1/3 of his father's age equals to. Okay, let us consider father and Banu. Okay. Present age. Present take Banu as X. Banu as X. Then what is the difference between father and Banu? 20 years. So, father is 20 years elder than Banu, or Banu is 20 years younger than his father. Now, after 5 years, so increase 5 years for both the person, x plus 25, x plus 5. Now, what is the relation between their father and Banu's age after 5 years? So, Banu age will be equal to 1/3 of his father's age. Is it? After 5 years, Banu age will be 1/3 of his father's age. Now solve this. 3x plus 15 equal to x plus 25. 2x equal to 10. X equal to 5 years. Now who is x? Banu's present age. So what is Banu's present age? 5 years. Very simple. Moving to the next type of question. Including the ratios. All the competitive examinations having the ages problems with ratio. Ages problem with included with ratios. Okay. Now see the question. 5 years ago, total age of father and son was 40 years. 5 years ago, father and son age is 40 years. Sum. Present ages is, the ratio of their present age is 4:1. Okay. Now take this. Convert this ratio, father and son. Okay. Father and son. Their ages, present ages is 4:1. Convert this into age 4x, x. Okay. When you are converting into ratio into value, remove the ratio symbol. Okay. 4x comma x. 5 years ago means 5 years back. So minus 5. So 4x minus 5, x minus 5. I am writing here because there is no space. Okay. So 5 years back. So removing 5 years from the present age. So their sum is 40 years. Sum of their ages. So 5x minus 10 equal to 40. X equal to 10. Because this 10 will come here 50. X equal to 50 by 5. 10. So what is the x present age of son? Okay. What is 10 years? What is father's present age? 40 years. What is the sum of their present ages? 50 years. But he is asking what is the present age of father? 40 years only. Okay. Try to solve different questions. Okay. Next. It is the last question in the ages one. I am discussing different types of problems. And some of the practice questions I mentioned in the practice sessions. Okay. And try to solve this type of questions. Okay. I am solving only one question for each topic. And I am providing the different questions, same topic or same type, and each type I am providing different questions in the practice session. Try to solve this one. So this is a very important and very lengthy question but very simple answer. Okay. It is based upon a puzzle. It is a puzzle type of ages question. Okay. See the puzzle. Sneha's age is 1/6 of her father's age. Okay. Sneha's age is 1/6 of her father's age. Sneha's father age will be twice of Vimal's age after 10 years. Here we have another relation. Sneha's father age will be twice of Vimal's age after 10 years. If Vimal's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, then what is Sneha's present age? So, this is a very confusing question. But if you study the question very carefully, it is a very simplest question, ages problems. Try to solve this. Try to come from the reverse order. Okay. If Vimal's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, okay, 2 years before his 8th birthday was celebrated. So present age of Vimal is 10 years. Before 2 years back his 8th birthday was completed. Means today means this year his 10th birthday. So 10 years he has. Okay, 10 years. And after 10 years means include one more 10. It is 20. So after 10 years, Sneha's father will be 2 times of Vimal's age. Okay. Sneha's father age will be 2 times of Vimal's age after 10 years. Okay. After 10 years, Vimal's age is 20 years. So, Sneha's father age is twice the Vimal's age after 10 years. Okay. Don't confuse here. Now, you know the present age of Vimal's age is 10 years. Now, Sneha's father's age will be twice the Vimal's age after 10 years. After 10 years, Vimal's age is 20 and father's age is 2 times of Vimal's age after 10 years. Now, father age is 40 years. Now, Sneha's age is 1/6 of his father's age. So, Sneha's age is 1/6 of his father's age. What is 40 by 6? That's it. Means 40 by 6 means, so 6, 4 by 6. So, Sneha's age will be 6 years. Once check this, Sneha's father's age will be twice of Vimal's age after 10 years. So, Sneha's father age is twice the Vimal's age after 10 years. So, it is the present age of Sneha's father. And Sneha's age will be 1/6 of his father's age. So, his father's age will be 40 years and 40 by 6. 6 4 by 6 years. This is a very simple question. But ages question will not come separately. It comes with the ratio. So please go through the ratios and proportion. Please practice with the different ratios, different proportions and different values and different type of questions. And please practice the practice sessions questions and please participate in the quiz with good confidence. Thank you.